rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Four things that are compulsory for wuzu. If any one of them is excluded, wuzu will not be done. First of them is washing of whole face, means from starting of forehead to chin and from one ear to another. This is said to be as face. Second first is washing of hands along with elbows, from nails of finger to elbows. If some part remain dry, wuzu will not be done. Third verse is wiping of corner part of head, means wiping of head with wet hands. Fourth verse is washing of both feet including ankles. Just like washing of hands, if some part remains dry, wuzu will not be completed. Wallahu ta'ala a'lam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. For more informative videos, subscribe our channel. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.